Hi guys, it's Roseann Zaft from LIVFITT, and I'm here today to wish you all a very happy, healthy, and prosperous 2022. It's a new year, a new beginning, lots of resolutions for some of us, and just continuation of healthy living for others. Today, I'm going to share with you an amazing, simple, and yummy smoothie, green smoothie for your tummy if you have overindulged a little bit. So this is my overindulgence recovery smoothie. And I'm going to start with my high-speed blender. I'm using a Vitamix and using organic greens. You could use spinach, Swiss chard, kale, whatever you like. Today I'm going to use baby spinach. We only need anywhere between 1 to 3 handfuls of this. And I measure handfuls instead of cups. So I'm going to go ahead and maybe just do 2 today, 2 handfuls of baby spinach. You're going to need a cucumber, half a cucumber. Now I don't go organic with my cucumbers because they've got a nice thick skin on them. So you don't have to spend the money on organic cucumbers. So this is a half of a cucumber. You know, when your cucumbers start going bad, you can peel them and chop them up and put them in bags and freeze them. And that way you have them handy for your smoothies. Benefits of a cucumber are great for hydration. They're low in calories, great antioxidants, and they will help you to just metabolize quicker. You know, if you've got a lot of bloat going on, the hydration will be very helpful for you. And they don't have a lot of taste in them, so that's a good thing. They're great in a lot of the smoothies I make, so I get extra serving of fruit. I have a frozen lemon here. Same thing if you're in Arizona like I am and you've got lemon trees galore, you're like overwhelmed with lemons, take them off the tree, peel them, and then either whole or chop them up and freeze them. And that way when you need a lemon for a smoothie, you can just pop it in instead of having to worry about squeezing lemon juice. You can also use doTERRA lemon oil. I'm not using that today, I'm using a frozen lemon, but you can do a couple drops of lemon oil instead. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some ginger root. If it's not organic, you want to peel it. So I've got this is an organic ginger root. So I'm going to take about an inch slice. Same thing, if you don't have ginger root, I always have doTERRA ginger oil on hand because I don't always have ginger root fresh in my refrigerator. And sometimes by the time I go for it, it's dried out, gone bad. So I always have the ginger oil. And if you're using ginger oil, just about 1 or 2 drops of that. It's pretty strong. And ginger is great, again, for digestion. Remember, this is an overindulgent smoothie. So we want to do things that will help our belly, the hydration of the cucumber, the antioxidants in there. And then the ginger will help ease any bloaty feeling that you have if you've done too much last night. Now, as far as liquids go, I'm just going with 2 cups of water. And then I'm going to add a lot of ice cubes. I'm going to add, oh gosh, probably 8 to 10 ice cubes. I want it nice and cold because I'm going to drink it right away. The last thing, we'll garnish this with some fresh mints. And you can even throw maybe, actually, I think I might. I have some mint here. I'm going to throw just a few leaves, mint leaves in my smoothie just to kick up. Got mint for digestion. And now the blending begins. So all right, it doesn't take much to blend. And I'm going to open this bad boy up. Oh, the smell of that ginger and lemon and mint together is divine. I'm going to pour the smoothie in. I use mason jars. I really like them for storage. This is 1 quart of my overindulgence green smoothie. You can garnish it with just a little bit of mint if you want it to be pretty. So cheers to you all for the new year coming ahead. I wish you nothing but happiness and good health. Don't forget in the 2022 to keep it green, 1 quart a day. If you have any questions on any of my recipes, hit me up on info@livfitt, LIVFITT.com, or check my website out, www.livfitt.com. Roseann Zaft at LIVFITT, wishing you the best in 2022.